مقصد a study on first form. Butterfly, butterfly, where do you fly? So quick and so high in the blue sky.
I am Kadirbayev Nurdin, a happy family. I love mother. She loves me. We love father. Yes, sorry, he loves us, and so you see, we are a happy family.
The little green frog jumps on a log, takes off its cloak, and begins to croak.